Welcome to the future of home living with SmartPoint CY. We're on a mission to revolutionize the way you live by creating a smarter, more efficient, and secure living space that elevates your quality of life. Our cutting-edge technology gives you complete control over every aspect of your home, from lighting and temperature to security measures, all while saving you energy costs. Plus, our smart home transformation is easy and hassle-free, with a simple replacement of standard wall switches. With our innovative smart modules, you can control specific loads such as lighting, curtains, shutters, air conditioning, and much more. Our intelligent technology identifies patterns and behaviors to create your ideal living environment with minimal intervention, saving you energy and reducing your carbon footprint. But what really sets us apart is the level of security we offer. Our system is completely decentralized, with no central processing unit controlling the entire network. Every component is independent, communicating via an inbuilt network that doesn't require Wi-Fi, making it less vulnerable to outside intervention. We believe that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and our perfected smart home transformation process makes it quick and trouble-free, allowing everyone to enjoy the comfort of an intelligent home. Join the smart home revolution and contact us now to experience the benefits of a smart, efficient, and secure haven with SmartPoint CY.